If you're new to Cricut, you're getting a machine as an early Christmas gift, or you've just had a machine sitting in its box for a while, the festive season is a perfect time to get it out and start learning because there is so much you can make. Or if you're wanting to start a business with your Cricut, the lead up to the holidays are also the perfect time to start selling because it's the busiest shopping period of the year. There's so much you can do, from decor to gifts, and there's plenty of really easy stuff too. So in this video, I'm just going to give you 10 ideas to get you started with loads of tips included. If you're a complete beginner and you need more help getting up and running with your machine, then check out Cutting Machine Confident. It's a hub that I made especially for Cricut beginners, full of short tutorials, cheat sheets, free designs, links to the best suppliers, and more. You can find it on my website. So let's get to the ideas. The first is a really simple one: DIY gift tags and gift stickers. I make different custom gift tags for all of my family and friends every year now. They are so easy. You can start off with just a simple tag shape. They have them on Cricut Access, or you can just literally use a rectangle, add a small circle over the top, select all and slice to cut a hole out. Then you can either use the pen feature to write names on them for you, just add wording and change the operation to write, or add pictures and print then cut them out as stickers. Or alternatively, you could get some wood or acrylic gift tag shapes and add vinyl names and designs to those. Number 2 is door signs. It's really easy to get a hold of wood rounds from Amazon or from craft stores, and these are so simple to decorate. Either paint or leave them bare and add adhesive vinyl and then add a bow to the top. There are so many designs on places like Creative Fabrica for these, but of course you don't have to do a round sign. You could also do a long porch sign or use a chopping board and make one for the kitchen. There are loads of different options. Festive cushion. For this, you just need to get a hold of a blank cushion case in maybe red or green. Try IKEA or local homeware shops and then either create a design or find a design you like elsewhere. Then you can use iron-on vinyl or a sublimation design to personalize it. This is a really easy project that can be kept and reused every year. Custom money envelope. If you have someone in your family that is so hard to buy for, or you just know that they prefer money or gift cards, then you can definitely still make gift giving more fun with a custom money or gift card holder. Some of these may be a little bit more complicated, so try to pick designs that don't have too many colours or layers and make sure they come with instructions. These ones from Creative Fabrica are so cute. And if you want to try those out, but you're not already a member of Creative Fabrica, I have a link for 10 free designs in my description. The next is a classic milk and cookies plate for Santa. You can buy these in shops now, but it's not as easy to get them personalised, so why not make your own and add names to them? You can make it as simple or as complicated as you want by adding wording and icons to a large plate or a wood board. I made this one on a wooden tray and it worked really well. Again, I got the design from Creative Fabrica ready-made. Matching ugly Christmas jumpers, shirts or pyjamas. This one is so easy. Get some plain t-shirts or jumpers and add a festive design to them using heat transfer vinyl or sublimation. And there are so many different themes you could do for this depending on who you're making them for. You could do matching elf shirts for the whole family, or his and hers Mr. and Mrs. Claus. Look for inspiration on Etsy and Pinterest. Gift bags, boxes and wine bottle bags. These you can either make completely from scratch, although there is a size limit with how big you can make gift boxes on a Cricut, or you could get blank bags from craft stores or on Amazon and add adhesive vinyl names or stickers to them to make them extra special. Or if you can find blank bags or Santa sacks at a reasonable price, you could decorate those with heat transfer vinyl too. Vinyl ornament. You can make it so much easier for yourself if you buy the flat wood or acrylic ornaments, as these are so much easier to apply vinyl to than curved ones. And you can just add names or phrases or pictures. If you do want to buy curved ones, however, then do this trick. Add a little cut into the backing paper to help your decals bend. Christmas cards. While I wouldn't recommend making your own cards en masse if you've got loads to do, this is a special thing to do for closer friends and family so that you can make them specifically customized to that person. Keep them simple by either doing print then cut on card or use the pen feature to draw a design on the front. If you have any of these Cricut insert card packs, look for templates within Cricut Access for making festive cutout cards. Custom pot holders, oven mitts or tea towels. This is a lovely way to decorate your kitchen with decor that is easy to make. Again, all you need to do is find some blank items in your local homeware shop and add a 9-on vinyl design to them. Super simple. And of course, there's so much more you can do. Check out Pinterest for even more inspiration. And remember, if you need more help with learning how to get started with your Cricut and how to make projects like everything I've just mentioned, check out Cutting Machine Confident, linked in the description. Or if you're already confident making all of these things and you want to sell them but you're not quite sure where to start, my Cricut Business for Beginners bundle may be perfect for you. Full of resources and with step-by-step guides, you'll be up and running in no time. Otherwise, happy holidays and have a fab time crafting. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this in future.